So it's just arrived today from the US. I've ordered it online. It's the Spiritus Sancti. It's arrived in quite a big box, so I'm assuming this is just mainly packaging. And I hope it's as good as photos looked on the website. The website did have awful reviews, but I couldn't find anywhere else that's selling this plant. So fingers crossed, it actually looks half decent. It's taken about 2 weeks to get here as well, so we'll see about the condition of it. But fingers crossed, and let's open it. Quite a nice brand in there. Probably won't put the name of the website in the description because looking on Trustpilot and they've got some awful reviews. But I'll show you what it actually looks like from what I can see. It's actually quite a large plant. It looks very healthy. They didn't say if it was from tissue culture or seed, but I'm going to assume it's come out of a tissue culture. There she is. Leaves look healthy. Even got roots coming out of the stem, So I've potted it up using some high quality houseplant soil with activated charcoal, mixed in with some perlite and clay balls. Drainage needs to be very good on these plants because they are prone to root rot. And the first few months I'll be keeping it in this climatised container, which will be around 70 degrees Fahrenheit and about 80% humidity. Thank you for watching and follow for more updates.